first thing you've got to do is remove the cover for the tow hook. Pushes and it comes out. Then little eye is in there and it's a reverse thread. So now that I've got all the brakes sorted out, the engine is running very well, and I've done, well, this is my second track day with this setup, I'm really impressed. So if anyone is thinking about installing these brakes or doing the suspension mods that I've done on my car, I definitely would recommend those if you're going to head to the track. Now unfortunately I didn't get any other race footage because my SLR's battery was flat and I forgot to bring the charger with me. So I'll just leave you with some excellent photos that a friend was able to take throughout the day before going into some lap times. Okay, now you're done with your race day. Put it all back in. Thread the little squiggly bit all the way in. Go in there. And clicks back in. Very smart. Once again, thanks for watching, and if you like my content, please remember to subscribe and check out my other videos. Bye.